On offer at Seaford MG we have this MG ZS EV Exclusive, which is the top of the range model. This vehicle's finished in a gorgeous shade of Pimlico Blue Metallic. As you can see at the front we've got LED running lights. This particular model has done 6,800 miles with one lady owner and full MG service history. The price of this vehicle is $22,795. That represents a huge saving over the cost of a new vehicle. It has the balance of its 7-year warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion warranty. Fabulous specification including MG Pilot, leather heated seats, pano sunroof which is electrically operated, key-free entry. Very spacious vehicle, lots of legroom and headroom, and a very large boot. Benefits include rear camera, rear parking sensors, and of course 0 road tracks, 163-mile range, which increases substantially with the use of regenerative brakes. Cavernous boot. And if we take a look in the rear, lots of headroom and legroom. As well as being heated, the seats are electric. "6,000 miles from you." Auto lights, cruise control, satellite navigation, rear camera, and we'll take a look at the pano roof, which opens up. You've got the louvered blind, and for those sunny days, all in all, fantastic value for money. If you'd like to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01323 898818. Thank you.